Today we are going to do MCQs on centrally sponsored schemes 2025. Question 1 is, as of 2025, the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana has been expanded to include which new beneficiary group regardless of their income? C. All women working in the unorganized sector. D. All persons with disabilities. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 2 है, under the revised guidelines for the PM-POSHAN scheme effective May 1st, 2025, the material cost has been increased by approximately what percentage? A 5.5%, B 7.0%, C 9.5%, D 12.5%. So correct answer है option C 9.5%. Question number 3 है, which of the following schemes is classified as core of the core scheme in the Union Budget 2024-2025 classification? Option A Jal Jeevan Mission, B PMAY, C MGNREGA, D Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. So the correct answer is option C MGNREGA. Question number 4 है, the प्रधानमंत्री जनजाति आदिवासी न्याय महाअभियान primarily targets which specific group for saturation of basic facilities? A. Scheduled castes in urban areas, B. Particularly vulnerable tribal groups, C. Tribal communities in northeast India only, D. nomadic tribes. So correct answer is option B. Question 5 है, as per the 2025 updates, what is the mandatory requirement for wage payments under NREGA effective from January 1st, 2024? A. Payments via UPI only, B. Aadhaar based payment system, C. Cash payment in remote areas, D. Payments through post office saving accounts only. So correct answer is option B. Question number 6 है, the PM Vishwakarma scheme provides collateral free enterprise development loans at a concessional interest rate of A 3%, B 4%, C 5%, D 7%. So correct option है option C 5%. Question number 7, which ministry is the nodal agency for the Mission Shakti scheme, which aims at strengthening interventions for women's safety and empowerment? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C. Ministry of Women and Child Development, D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So correct answer is option C. Question number 8 है, under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan 2025 focus areas, which segment of schooling has been explicitly integrated to ensure a continuum from preschool to class 12th? A. Vocational education only, B. Pre-primary, C. Higher education, D. Adult education. So correct answer is option B. Question number 9, the Jal Jeevan Mission aims to provide functional household tap connections to every rural household. What is the prescribed minimum service level of water supply per person per day? A 35 liters, B 45 liters, C 55 liters, D 70 liters. So correct answer is option C 55 liters. Question number 10 है, under the standard funding pattern for centrally sponsored schemes in 2025, what is the ratio of contribution between the center and state for general category states? A 90-10, B 75-25, C 60-40, D 50-50. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 60-40. Question number 11. The PM Shri scheme aims to upgrade approximately how many schools across India to showcase the implementation of National Education Policy 2020? A 10,500, B 14,500, C 20,000, D 50,000. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. Question number 12 है which sub scheme under Mission Shakti is specifically dedicated to safety and security of women? A. Samarthya, B. Sambal, C. Aadhaar, D. Ujjwala. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी संबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है द प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपादना योजना extended to 2025-2026 targets enhancing India's fish production to approximately A 15 million metric tons, B 18 million metric tons, C 22 million metric tons, D 30 million metric tons. So correct answer है ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन 14 है for north eastern and Himalayan states the funding pattern for most centrally sponsored schemes is A 100% central, B 90-10 center state, C 80-20 center state, D 60-40 center state. So correct answer is option B. Question number 15. Which portal is used for the single nodal account system to ensure transparent fund flow and monitoring of centrally sponsored schemes? A. Niti Aayog portal, B. PFMS, D. Darpan portal, D. Pragriti portal. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है द PMAY-Urban 2.0 scheme operational in 2025 offers an interest subsidy on home loans for which category are beneficiaries? A. High income group only, B. EWS, LIG and middle income group, C. Only government employees, D. Only rural migrants. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 है व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द राष्ट्रीय ग्राम स्वराज अभियान? A. Providing electricity to village, B. Strengthening Panchayat Raj institutions for achieving SDGs, C. Building rural roads, D. Digital literacy for farmers. 17 का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. Question number 18. Under the PM-POSHAN scheme, the cost of food grains, wheat or rice is borne by A. the state government 100%, B. the central government 100%, C. shared 60-40, D. the group food corporation of India paid by beneficiaries. So correct answer है ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन 19 है द वाइब्रेंट विलेज प्रोग्राम एक्टिव इन 2025 फोकस ऑन द comprehensive development of villages located in A. coastal areas, B. left-wing extremism affected areas, C. northern border areas, D. drought-prone regions. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 है which of the following is not a core scheme but classified as core of the core scheme? A. National Health Mission, B. National Social Assistance Program, C. Swachh Bharat Mission, D. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. The correct answer is option B.